How's it going, everybody? My name is Austin and welcome back to the PowerStoked YouTube channel. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is my purple 7.3 PowerStroke that I've been building for the past couple of years. Our end goal for the truck is 500 wheel horsepower. We still got a little ways to go. I got a few things I'm going to talk about today, so this video is going to be a little bit fun. I got something I'm going to be doing while I'm talking to you guys, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Now, as you know, everybody knows, Christmas is upon us, and I am a major Christmas fanatic. As soon as it becomes October, Halloween's over. I know Thanksgiving's great. Don't get me wrong, you guys. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love Thanksgiving? But I am a major Christmas fan. So as soon as Halloween's over, it's Christmas for this guy. So I thought, you know, why not do something a little bit fun this year? I've never done this to any of my vehicles, but you know, it was 12 bucks. I couldn't really pass up the opportunity to run something. I mean, even if it's on there for 3 weeks, $13, 3 weeks, totally happy with that. So today we're gonna be putting on a wreath on the grill of the truck. And if you guys don't know how to do that, I figured I'd just show you. I mean, it's super simple, and I got a few things I need to talk to you guys about. So let's mount this bad boy. So honestly, all I'm really gonna be using to mount this is going to be some zip ties, and then I'm just gonna cut off this plug because it's absolutely useless to me. So I do want it to be lit up sometimes, so I'm gonna end up going to the store and buying one of those little battery pack powered light strands and just kind of wrapping it around inside there, and then every once in a while, if I'm out at night, throw on those Christmas lights. You know, you guys, I didn't realize how difficult it was going to be to put this silly thing on. I thought it'd be as simple, you know, just loop a zip tie in there and it'd come right back out. I always forget how tightly knit this mesh is, and so I'm having to take these zip ties and bend them in multiple different ways to try to feed it in and loop it back around so that way I can wrap it around this wreath here so it doesn't go flying off on the road, because I feel like people wouldn't really appreciate that. You have a wreath come after you at, you know, 40 miles an hour. Alright, you guys, after a lot of unnecessary work, we have the wreath on the truck. I personally think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's very festive. Check it out. But for real, guys, I'm actually really excited that we have the wreath on the truck. I know it's something that's pretty silly and not a lot of people are going to do, and they're probably going to think it's a little weird, but I mean, come on, you guys. You gotta show some Christmas spirit. Alright, you guys, the camera battery is dying, so I'm gonna really hurry this last little bit up. I told you guys I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things, and first off, I want to start out by saying thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for 5,500 subscribers. Now, that is a number I never personally thought I would ever reach. It's a silly little channel where I have a dream of building a 7.3 to be a fast truck, and I mean, PowerStoked. My original thought for this whole thing was anything that's powerful, I get stoked about and I wanted to do. And so I'm starting out with what I have, and eventually we'll grow and do a lot more fun things. So I just really want to say thank you guys so much for 5,500 subscribers. That is absolutely insane. Now, I want to challenge you guys. We're at 5,500. I want to see how fast we can get to 10K. If you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers, I will do a burnout, and I will do a giveaway. I'll figure out what I'm gonna give away. It'll be something worth it.
The next day.
So I am sitting in my truck because it's absolutely nasty outside, and it is now the next day before my camera rudely cut me off before I was finished saying what I was saying. So I was telling you guys that once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna be doing a burnout and a giveaway. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna be giving away yet. But I'll get that figured out and let you guys know. But just know it's coming. The sooner you get to 10,000 subscribers, the sooner you guys will know. I'm gonna try to make it worth it, absolutely. It's not gonna be a turbo, anything that crazy. I just personally don't have the budget for that. I'm still just a little baby YouTuber. But once the channel grows, obviously giveaways will get much bigger and better. And it's a way that I can give back to you guys and show my appreciation for everything that you guys have done for me. I made some pretty amazing connections in the industry. I've gotten to work with some great companies. I've done some giveaways in the past. It's really been something that I never thought would happen. So it's a great way that I can give back to you guys. And another way that I want to give back to you is something a little bit different. So, you know, the end screen at every single one of my videos, it's a picture of my truck, and then I just have the videos over it. You know, you click away to another video. But I want to change that up a little bit. I want to do something that gives back to you guys. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up an email. It'll probably be in the description of this video. If not, it'll be the next one. I'm pretty bad at procrastinating. So what I'm thinking about doing is you guys can send in a picture of your guys' rides and then your tags if you want me to tag your Instagram or your YouTube, or both. So obviously there'll be some stipulations to avoid it just being kind of abused by people that don't really care about the channel, that just want a free shout out. So one of the stipulations is I want you to be subscribed to the channel. So all you're gonna have to do is screenshot that you're subscribed, and then just send a picture of your vehicle. Super easy. There's nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna make you buy into anything. I think that if you're a fan of the channel and you like watching the videos and stuff, you should absolutely, I appreciate it. So I want to show you guys that. So a big reason I'm having that stipulation is, I want to show you guys something. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but 86% of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed, and I don't want that to, oh, whoa, God. Oh, slowly coming into focus here. We're good. So that's absolutely insane, and I want to get that number to go up. I want you guys to stick around, and I don't want it to get abused if I'm going to have you guys at the end of the video. You know, I don't want somebody that just comes in, sees this video, shoots me an email, and doesn't ever come back. I want it to be authentic, and it's a way that I'm giving thanks to you guys. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys like that idea. It's something that I've been kind of brewing for a little while. I just really want to show my appreciation for you. So enough of me saying thank you. I mean, I could go on and on. 5,500 subscribers is absolutely insane. And I can't wait to hit 10,000 subscribers. So let's do it, you guys. I'm pushing you. I'm challenging you. Let's see how fast we can hit 10,000 subscribers. We'll just call it December 2019. When do you think we're gonna hit it? Let's aim for early next year. What do you guys think? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Smash that like button. Write a comment down below. I try to reply to every single comment. And I will see you guys in the next video.